channel ZTC Zero Touch Cyber. In the previous videos you have seen about some of the commands related to Linux. Now in this video we will see some of the commands related to Windows. Open command prompt. First command is driver query. This command is used to list all the drivers in your system. And what this command does is, it shows even if the drivers won't find the device manager also, it will list out here. And it will display all the listed installed drivers, module name, display name and the type of the driver. These are all the drivers installed in my system. And the next command is cd. It is nothing but change directory. I am changing my directory to downloads. Here the current working directory is changed to downloads. Next command is system info. This system info, by using this command we get the more detailed information about your system, like host name of your system, operating system and version and etc. Next command is set. This set command is used to show all the environmental variables in your PC. Next command is clip. Directory -clip. Here this command is used to copy all the content in this directory. I am copying the content. These are all the content related to that directory. And next command is title. Syntax for this title command is title and the window title name. I am giving the title name as Lucky. See here, my command prompt window title name is changed to Lucky. Next command is Cipher. By using this command we can wipe the free space and encrypt the data. In PC we may delete some of the files, but it is accessible to other users also. By using this command we can wipe the drive and encrypt such files. These are all the files. Next command is netstat -a. It will show all the active connections and the local address and MAC address of the particular port, active port. Next command is color editor. This command changes the text color of the command prompt. Here we are having different types of colors. Next I am entering color 2. Color 2 is green. Now text format will change into green. Next command is ipconfig. ipconfig command is used to show the information about PC and IP addresses and connections. Here we are getting the IPv4 address and IPv6 address of my system and connected to Ethernet. Next command is system info. This system info will overview of the system's configuration and display the information like operating system, version and system hardware details. And the next command is ASSOC. It will list all the extension programs in your system. List all the extensions which are associated with it. Now the next command is system file checker, SFC. By using this command we can scan the system and we can find out the corrupt files and repairs them. Next command is power CFG. CFG is nothing but controls configurable power settings. Power CFG -help. It will show several extensions and power state of your PC. And example power CFG/energy. In between there is a space. G/energy. It will generate the battery health report. The report is in the format of HTML file. In this path, the HTML report is available. And the next command is directory, dir. It will list all items in that directory. Next command is start. I am giving one of the website, free code camp. HTTPS freecodecamp.org. It is redirecting to that page by using command prompt. The next command is tree. By using this command, it shows all the current directory or in a specified drive in the format of tree. Next command is version. We will get the operating version of this Windows system. Here my version is Next one is task list. It will list out all the tasks which are running in my system present right now. These are all the tasks. Next one is date. If you want to change the date, we can using this command we can change it. Here my date is changing. And next one is time. If you want to change, we can change the time also. Time is changing. If you want to see the serial number, use the command volume. Here the serial number is D808-71B0. Next command is clear. If you want to clear all the commands, you can use CLS. If you want to exit, you can type exit. It will close the command prompt. These are all the commands related to Windows. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and follow for more updates.